It's Bonnie. Happy Saturday. Oh my goodness, you guys. I've got so much to talk about for Avon today. So I've actually got 3 catalogs sitting in front of me. I want to go over Christmas, Black Friday, Cyber Monday, and some awesome new stuff that's coming to Avon. For those of you just joining me, I am an online Avon rep and all my information is below. So, oh my goodness, where do I start? Black Friday deals are still going on. So if you want the free gift for spending $60 and the free shipping, you're going to want to shop today, the Black Friday sale, and you're going to get the Black Friday gift pack. You have to use the code, where is it here? Avon Black 20. So if you spend $60, you're going to get a free 7-piece beauty set. And then if you spend $120, you're going to get the beauty set plus a Chi Essentials travel kit. That ends today. Tomorrow, I'm going to sneak peek out the Cyber Monday deal. So I'm going to put this up on the screen. And with $40 free shipping, that was the same as Black Friday. If you spend $60, you're going to get a free 6-piece makeup gift set or a 6-piece skincare gift set. So you can choose. It's going to be either or. I don't have the code yet for this. And then if you spend $120, you get that Chi gift on top of either the makeup kit or the skin kit. So it's kind of nice that you have a choice. For Cyber Monday. That's actually kind of I'm actually thinking of getting the makeup kit with that because that's a really good deal. So we are currently in campaign 26 right now. And one of the best deals that you could do to get to your $60 to get your free gift is the Belief Holiday Travel Kit. So you're going to get 4 items in here. Try out the Belief Kit. It is only $20, which is an awesome deal. Comes in this cute little travel kit, and it is a $25 value because, like I said, you get the little tiny ones. But that way you can try the entire Belief line. So I'll put the link to that below. We are selling out on a couple of the holiday items. So the book isn't super accurate. If you have a book, you're better off going online. For example, that greenhouse that was so popular, that light up holiday greenhouse, is now gone, unfortunately. A lot of the really cute decor items are starting to sell out. Slippers are starting to sell out. So if there's something that you want at Avon online, these rings are starting to sell out. I would suggest ordering it tomorrow for Cyber Monday. Cyber Monday deals are going to run the rest of the week, but there's probably going to be a lot of people ordering and more stuff is going to get sold out. Avon does that a lot where their stuff is so popular, it does sell out fairly quickly. So that is the Cyber Monday deal. Then, I wanted to show you one of these necklaces in campaign 26. I did get one of these. Look how pretty this necklace is. This is the, look how gorgeous this is. It's like a pearlized pink necklace. Super pretty. I picked this up. This is the statement necklace. It is $34.99, but I thought this was absolutely gorgeous. It's very heavyweight. Super pretty for Christmas. There's also a matching ring, earrings, bracelet, and watch. This pearly locket I really wanted. This keeps selling out though. I haven't been able to get that. So like I said, a lot of this stuff is collectible and it's gonna sell out. So that brings us to campaign number 1. Can you believe it? This will start like in a week and a half. For the most part, campaign 1 is going to have a lot of the last minute Christmas shopping products. There are a couple of new jewelry products in here. These are super cute, by the way. These are the sterling silver initial necklaces. That is an awesome personalized gift. The Belief products are still going to be in here. A lot of the Christmas decor, like I said, a lot of this is sold out though. The cat, bubble bath cat that everyone wants, Buy it now before it sells out. Same with the Paris perfume, the Eiffel Tower one, because I'm a little bit worried about that selling out. But this catalog is pretty much a recap of the 26. This emerald jewelry is super pretty. I have the necklace. I really like this necklace for Christmas. It looks absolutely gorgeous. It actually matches my shirt today. I should have just put it on. Look at that. How pretty this is. It just looks nice even with the t-shirt. It's just gorgeous. It has kind of a funky retro look going on when you put it with the t-shirt. We also have the rhinestone jewelry that is absolutely gorgeous. I think I'm going to get one of those pieces. So this is going to be campaign 1. Do your last minute Christmas shopping this week and get that Cyber Monday gift. The Avon Senses hand sanitizer is buy one, get one free. There's a couple items that are buy one, get one free. With that, take advantage of that. So then, oh my gosh, you guys, I just got a preview of the campaign 2 catalog. This is going to start Christmas Day. I'm going to talk way more about that once Christmas is over. I'm going to get on a better cadence doing more videos. I've just gotten behind, you guys. But there's a lot going on in this catalog. I'm just going to give you a sneak peek, you guys, because there's so much cool stuff. Check out the Go for the Gold A-Box coming up. Is that not gorgeous? I can't wait for that one. And then, look at this. The VDL So Jelly, you guys. Oh my gosh. Coming soon. I got one of them. Check it out. This is what it looks like. This is Korean Beauty. And it's actually a lip product or a blush. I love these. Look at how gorgeous this is. Oh my gosh. Put a little of this on. This is stunning. I am so excited about this product. I'm going to get all 4 of these in all 4 shades. I love these jelly products. So that is absolutely gorgeous. Lots of cool makeup coming soon. There is a new Belief. Check it out here. The first fragrance from Belief called The Garden. Oh, that smells kind of good. Fresh and vibrant. So this is a sparkling bergamot, dewy spring blossoms. Kind of good. And winter musk. It's kind of got a unique scent to it. Check that out. So that's new. I was just looking through here going, oh my gosh, Avon, they're doing so much new stuff. Socks. They're bringing out socks. I'm so excited about that. And check it out. I just ordered one of these, you guys. I got a mop. They've got the dry mop cloths, and then they've got the wet mop cloths. These are from Homestar LG, and I got the mop. This actually is the mop head, you know, the thing, you know, the actual mop. It sounded absolutely ridiculous. This is the mop part that you put these on. But anyway, I can't wait to try out my new mop. Isn't that funny? But anyway, I got the dry and the wet. These are coming either in 1 or 2. I got to update you guys on when the mop is coming. I will test out the mop and see what it's like, though. And then, this is another last-minute Christmas gift. This is so pretty. It's the Skin So Soft Winter Soft set. I actually got this for free from Avon as a Christmas gift for making President's Club. So that was awesome. If you join Avon, you're going to get a lot of really neat gifty type products. You get all kinds of incentives. Right now, reps only can buy the A-boxes for $10. Every A-box we released this year, you can buy any one of them for $10 each. So if you want to sign up to be a rep, it's free until the end of the year. I'll put the sign-up link below, or just leave a message in the comment and I'll give you the link. But, you know, join my team. It's super fun. There's no commitment or anything. You can buy for yourself. You can do it online. Oh my gosh, this is so pretty. Look at this. It's got kind of a winter deep floral, but you get all 3 of these pieces. I thought this would make a really neat gift for somebody. I'm excited about this. But this is the Skin So Soft Winter Soft collection in the collectible box. So that was kind of exciting. Like I said, lots of awesome new stuff coming to Avon in 2021. I actually just signed up for a conference coming up in January that we're going to get a lot of the new stuff. I absolutely can't wait. So like I said, don't forget Black Friday today if you want that gift set. Cyber Monday tomorrow. I'll put all the codes on social. And then if you're interested in joining Avon for all the perks and all the sneak peeks, you can buy for yourself. You can sell online with your link. I know a lot of people don't want to go door to door right now, but you can sell with your e-store. Check out the link. So anyway, have an awesome Saturday. Post any questions below about Avon. Oh my gosh, you guys, I am over the top excited about this jelly product though. It is absolutely stunningly beautiful. It looks like just a gorgeous shade of like, I love these shades. It's like almost like a rose and a raisin mixed together. I think this is going to be my new go-to lipstick. I'm excited. I'll see you guys soon. Bye-bye.